Subterranean Science class. This is Miss Sanders and my lovely assistant,
Princess Emily.
Since we are studying the 4 states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, and plasma, we're going to do a demonstration today on turning a liquid into a solid by making homemade
popsicles.
Okay, the materials that we need: grape Kool-Aid, which is
My favorite.
okay, 3/4 cup of sugar. Set those over there. Stirring spoon and a 2-quart pitcher. You mix all these together, which we already mixed them together, so for time.
So we can make popsicles.
Okay, so then we've also got these popsicle molds that we got from the store. Show them yours. Okay, and what we're going to do is fill these with the Kool-Aid, and then you put the tops in them, and then we'll put them in the freezer to make
homemade popsicle.
Yes. Okay. Now fill the popsicle things. Be easy now. Whoa, that's good. You're doing a great job. Whoop. Whoop. You're fine. There we go. All right. Now turn it around. Here you go. Put you some more in there. Now fill up the rest of them. Then you take these sticks and stick in the top. So when they freeze, they won't fall off your stick and they'll come out of the container. One more. All right.
There we go.
Good job. Now put these in the top. These go in the top of the other one too. These are actually ring popsicles. Stick them in the tops of them.
Yes.
And I'm going to go ahead and take these to the freezer. And for the sake of time, I went ahead and froze some earlier, so we could show you the end product. And look, it is no longer a liquid. It has turned to a solid because we froze it in the freezer. Thank you. And now we're going to go enjoy our summertime snacks outside. Tomorrow's video will demonstrate how a liquid turns into a gas. So stay tuned. Smile. Say bye.
Bye.